I know it's a whole ocean of tools. It was quite a clutter in my mind on
हाँ
how
जी
to
दीदी
start. So this has at least
हो
helped
गया.
me clear a few
हाँ
things.
मैं आता हूँ.
The first achievement that I could see is I was able to prepare my New Year greeting this time using Gemini,
And that
and
was
I
really
liked it. Yeah.
nice. It was
So
really
yeah.
nice to see.
Or
I was
else
also
I
thinking, why haven't
generally
we tried something like this?
I almost take one whole day at least on Canva generally because still I don't get satisfied. This time it was probably 2 hours using
Yeah.
Gemini and Canva. So at least I'm happy from that perspective. And it's all about giving more time to learn all these things. So it's a great start and I'm happy that I'm part of this session because it's very simple. I've seen some other
Yes, yes, yes.
curriculums, and the curriculum itself, I gave an input to my community that the curriculum which was prepared was very complex. It was difficult to understand. This was quite simple. I could relate to it. So thank you so far.